In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with Getresponse. If you've made it to this video, you probably know what Getresponse is, and you know that they have an affiliate product, so you're looking to make money as an affiliate for Getresponse. Hey, how's it going, guys? My name's Jackson with Internet Money Lifestyles, and on this channel, I teach people how to make money online primarily through affiliate marketing. And in this video, I've got an exciting one for you because Getresponse is an amazing affiliate program to be an affiliate for, to promote their product. You have potential to earn a lot of money with Getresponse. And the best thing about Getresponse is that they are a monthly recurring revenue affiliate program, meaning that you can earn passive income with this program. It's basically a subscription-based service. So as long as somebody who signs up under your link purchases the program, and as long as they're an active user, basically paying for it every month, you earn a commission of whatever they're paying. And just in case you landed on this video and you don't know what Getresponse is, let's hop on over here to my computer. Here we are at getresponse.com. Essentially what it is it's primarily for email marketing. Okay, this is what I use for my business. When people come and they subscribe to my email list, this is exactly what I use to follow up with them. It's an amazing email marketing software, but I think as of recently, they made it to where it's also a website builder, as you can see right here. Marketing automation, and then I think they also have it to where you can build out funnels. So this software is definitely getting better and better as time goes on. And like I said, what I mainly use them for, actually the only thing I use them for is email marketing, as they have awesome automations, workflows. It's super easy to use, especially for beginners. But if you're here, you are here to make money with their affiliate program. Now, it's super easy. You can just go to Google, type in Getresponse affiliate program, and then once you get there, go ahead and get signed up to be an affiliate for Getresponse. Now, when you do get signed up, you're going to be led to this option right here. You're going to be led to option 1 or option 2. Now, up front, this one definitely does look good because every person that you get to sign up and purchases Getresponse, even if it's just for, I believe, 1 month, they give you the commission of $100. So yes, that does sound like a lot of money up front, and especially it benefits you if the person signs up for the first month and then after that they cancel. But if we look over here, I would highly suggest you go with this one. It's a 33% commission for every sale. So as long as they're actively subscribed to Getresponse, you're going to earn a 33% commission of whatever they are paying. So let's head on over to the pricing of Getresponse and get a good idea of how much you can earn. So if you are here on the Getresponse, the basic price is, and I believe they might be running a sale right now because it kind of looks like these prices are lower than usual. Usually this is 15, this is usually 50, and I believe that's usually 100, okay? And if you get somebody to sign up and they purchase this, yes, you're only making 33% of, I guess, supposedly $12.30, which isn't much, but as long as that person stays subscribed, under your affiliate link, you are going to earn those commissions. But the good thing is if they stay just on the basic plan, we're saying worst case scenario, they stay on the basic plan. As long as their business is growing and they're increasing, guess what? The price is going to go up. Say they their email list surpasses 1,000 subscribers. So now they need something, maybe they want to upgrade to 5,000. Well, now it costs $36.90 for them a month. Guess what? If you go with that 33% commission, you're going to be making 33% of that. Let's say they really start growing their business, they bump it up to 50,000. Now, just for the basic plan, they're spending $205 a month. You're making 33% of that. You're almost making as much as that $100. If we go back here, you're almost making as much as this, but per month. So say you get somebody to sign up and they really start growing their business and they start paying that much a month for their business, but instead you picked this, you only earned $100, and now Getresponse is earning 100% of this. Whereas if you choose the 33%, guess what? You're making passive income, monthly reoccurring revenue. Personally, I use this one right here. I use the Plus because it allows you to do automations, which if you are familiar with Getresponse at all, you know that is an amazing tool. So personally, that's what I use. And so that's another thing. As long as people are using this, they're paying more, you're going to earn more with Getresponse. So now, the moment you've been waiting for, how can you actually make money and promote the Getresponse program to actually start getting people to sign up under your link so that way you can start earning monthly reoccurring commissions? Now, there's a couple ways to go about this, but I'm gonna give you 3 ways on how you can go about this. But number 3 is by far the best option, so be sure to stick around till that. But number 1 is that you can do blog posts, okay? You can do blog posts and write about Getresponse. You know, you can search up different keywords. I'm not big into blogs, but if you write a bunch of different blogs over Getresponse, and as long as somewhere in that post you put your affiliate link, that's one way that you can get people to sign up. But that's just kind of crossing your fingers, hoping that people do after they read your blog. Number 2 method, which is partially what I do, I more so focus on number 3, but number 2 is to make YouTube videos around Getresponse. Teach people how to use the program. Teach people how to use the software, you know, teach basic tutorials. I promise you, if you use Getresponse for even just a little bit, you're gonna know more than 99% of the people that are coming into it, okay? Teach different tutorials, do your keyword research, post how to use it. Maybe even if you wanna make a course over how to use Getresponse, you could also do it that way, and you'd have even more success with that because it's more personable, one-on-one, a YouTube video explaining how to use it. And if people are looking how to use it, odds are they're about to sign up for it. So that's actually a really good method. But method number 3, okay, and this is primarily how I promote Getresponse. If we hop back over here onto the computer, okay, this is Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, the 3-day challenge. Now, if you're not familiar with this at all, this is my mentor, Jonathan Montoya, who is currently a 7-figure affiliate marketer. Now, he recently built this challenge out to help people start making money online and building out what's called the affiliate stacking ecosystem. Basically, you promote one main core product, and then from there you get somebody to subscribe to your email list. And then from there you follow up with your email list with all your other supporting offers, all your other affiliate offers. Now, what we're looking at right here, although yes, my mentor made this course, this is actually, if we focus up here, we'll see this is actually my website, internetmoneylifestyles.com. So my mentor actually allowed me to use this course as my very own. It's white labeled, okay? So anybody that comes to my website, internetmoneylifestyles.com, and they sign up for the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, I make 100% of that profit. So say somebody comes in and they purchase the 3-day challenge. Okay, first they're gonna be led to this video, which is me introducing them. Then they're gonna go through day number 1 of learning how to build an affiliate marketing business. But then if we go over here, I wanna direct your attention to day number 2. And of course, they'd go through watching the video, but if you scroll down a little bit, what you're gonna find is that this link right here, set up your email autoresponder. This is something that you do within day number 2 of this challenge. And guess what? If they go and they click this button right here, it is going to take them to my affiliate link. So as long as they're following this course and they go down here and they click the link, and then they basically get signed up for Getresponse to build out their affiliate marketing business, I am going to earn that 33% commission, monthly commission, as long as they sign up under that and are following the actual program. Now, what's awesome about this is, yes, that is my course, obviously created by my mentor who allowed me to make that as my own course, but you can do the exact same. If you are interested in doing so, I highly recommend going down and getting signed up for the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. It's going to be the very first link in the description. Learn the basics of it, and then once you go through the basics, you can go through it, you can contact me, and I can show you exactly how you can set up this exact course to be yours as well. So anybody who comes in and purchases this challenge, you make 100% of the commissions, and it is completely your course. You don't have to go through and make one. It's completely yours. You get to put all of your affiliate links within inside the course. So that's the reason why it's called the affiliate stacking ecosystem. You make money on the front end, you make money in the middle, you make money in the back end. That's the beauty of having your very own course. Listen, I hope you all enjoyed that video. If you gained any knowledge out of it at all, please be sure to leave a like. And then also do me a huge favor, go ahead and subscribe, hit those notifications, because I'm posting videos every single day for your benefit to help you start to earn money online and quit your 9-to-5 job as soon as possible. Listen, if there was any part in this video that was confusing or you're unsure on and you want to ask a question, please leave them down in the comments below. I promise you I will see it, and I promise you that I will reply back to you. And also, if you want to discuss your business plan, you can also reach out to me in the description. Reach out to me on Facebook. We can have a full-blown conversation. That's probably the easiest way to get in contact with me. But if you have any questions at all, you know how to reach out to me. But other than that, guys, we will see you all tomorrow.